Now for this system, we want to upgrade the RAM, random access memory. So for this HP Pavilion 15, we have to unscrew all the bolts that are there to open down to get reach to the panel. Now we've got down to the panel. You can see, so the RAM is under the panel, that's at the other end. Now we've gotten to the panel. You can see we have different type of laptops that you can get reach to in the RAM, which is at the back of the case, and just opening it. So there are various things you can just through that place. You can just change the RAM without opening the computer. So that is how it goes about it. If you could check the label very well, you see the 4 and 2. So we are changing the 4 and the 2 gig RAM to 4 gig RAM. Now you can see this was the former one that was there, 2 gig RAM. If you could check it now, 4 gig. So we've changed the 2 to 4 now. So it's now 8. 4 plus 4 making 8. So that's 8 gig RAM. Thank you.